outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby,
like
do
I've
you
been
know
through
me?
it.
Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, die that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby, girl, you know me.
Welcome back to another weekly vlog.
I just called a shorty off a Finsta.
Okay, the ATM that I went to does not do deposits, so that was a waste of time. But I got coffee. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It is currently Saturday. Let me mute Jordan. It's currently Saturday morning. I am filled with fuzz and cat hair. This is now the life of a cat mom, right? But anyways, we are getting ready to head out to the supermarket. I need to fix my hair a little bit. I'm just going to the supermarket. I don't really care that much, but I'm still gonna fix it up a little bit. Then yeah, I'm gonna go to the supermarket right now. Need to get food for Ollie. Ollie's out of food, so he's probably really hungry right now. He never cries for food, so he could be starving to death right now. I wouldn't know, but I guess I would know if he was that hungry, you know what I mean? But anyways, then I'm also gonna go to the ATM today, guys. I didn't get to go yesterday. Also need to go to the baby store because I have a baby shower this evening, and then so we're gonna go to PRICEMART and to the supermarket. So yeah, I also want to take a picture for Instagram, but we will see. So let's go. Department store in PORTMORE. Winner one. Yes. Why are you here? Mommy said she wants to try and find hangers, so that's why we're mostly here. I'm gonna see if there's anything for pets. I don't think they have pets stuff, but I'm gonna look. So these are the ones that I have. I wanted to switch to black. They're very nice, see? I like the colors. What are these? Ice cream balls. Are these like storage bins? Yes, they are. I mean, they have storage bins around here. Ew. Ollie needs one of these, you know, for his stuff. Mommy, need to get one of these for Ollie's things. Oh my goodness, I have hit the jackpot. Storage content. Mommy, oh my gosh, what are these? Mommy, open this. Is this an ice tray? So nice. Ah, and you just open it and empty out it. And ooh, egg trays. We need these. The stackable ones. Oh my god, see, they have these. This is what I was going to order on Amazon. goodness, I cannot believe they have these. So you can stack them, and it take up a lot less space.
Can it cool and over the top this one?
It's supposed to be stackable, yeah. I was gonna get these on Amazon. Can you return things here? You can return. Oh my god, they have all the things. I need one of these for Ollie, for his stuff. Storage fridge box. They have all the things. They only have dog stuff. These are for dogs. How much? 11,000. That one is at 11. This one is 11. They're so light. You said that one is at $11,000. This one no. No, this look. Is this carry on? No. It's so bigger. All this time I was not recording. I hate when that happens. But yeah, we just left the wholesale. Well, I guess it's for the better because the AC was really loud anyways. So it's still kind of loud, but not as. Oh, I don't have a mask. I was like, why is it making that sound? How dare you make that sound when I'm wearing my mask down? But anyways, we just left the Chinese wholesale Winners One or Winner One or whatever it's called. Found some cute stuff. I saw a lot of storage containers that I literally have those in my Amazon cart, you know, like in my Amazon list of things that I want to buy. The egg trays that we got. Let me show y'all. I did show you guys in the wrong thing to pick up. I'm gonna just dash away one bag of things on the back of it. These have been in my Amazon cart for so long because I've always wanted to buy them. They have the other ones for like sodas and things like that. I also found a gift for my friend and I can talk about it in the vlog now because she's gonna get it today. I should be seeing her today because I don't think her baby's here yet. She should still be pregnant. She should be able to make it to the baby shower later. We've been Harry Potter stans since college together. And she loves Harry Potter way more than I love Harry Potter. And I saw a Harry Potter bottle in there, and it's actually an authentic product from the wizard thingy. Like I looked at the card that's attached to it, and it has the printed part. Like it looks authentic. Ooh, back in the sun we are. Y'all, they don't have any Beyond Meat. house and we couldn't find olive dry food in the supermarket. And I didn't want to. There's so many bags on the ground. There's no spaces to walk. Yeah, I didn't want to get him a new dry food because I didn't want to make him sick. Because that would be me switching his food entirely. So I got him like a Friskies. He likes fish, so I got the salmon one. I'm gonna give him a little bit of this. I'm gonna head on the road in a little bit, so I'm gonna try and see if I can find his food when I go on the road later at a different supermarket. I know he's really hungry. He's trying to sniff like inside the bags and stuff, which he doesn't really do a lot. So I can tell he's really hungry. So I got him this. I'm gonna give him like this much. He doesn't really eat wet food, but he like this, I think. Ollie, so much chaos, huh? Okay, come. Here, Ollie, Ollie. Come, food. There you go. You must be hungry. You like it? Yay! He's eating! Ah! Okay. Currently at Jamaica Expo. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm working here and I'm gonna like put some clips in from the actual expo so you guys can see what's going on today.